Hello, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all you wonderful artists out there. Now, do you have problems with acrylic paints drying too quickly? Yeah, we've all suffered in that respect. Well, there are ways and means of slowing the drying time down. And one of those little tricks is to use something called vegetable glycerin or vegetable glycol. And what it is, it's a humectant which retains moisture. So what I do is I add about a teaspoonful, only a teaspoonful of that to my water spray. And then I spray that onto the painting very, very lightly, not so that it's running down, just a mist. And then paint into that. And that enables the paint to dry out less quickly. I also add just a couple of drops of flow improver into the bottle. I mean, you only 2 or 3 drops, and that will enable the paint brush to slide around a little bit easier. Now, I also add a few drops of both of those into my big water buckets when I'm cleaning my brushes, and also into my water pot. Don't forget, when you dip your brush into the water pot, if you need to thin the paint down, this will help tremendously. So that's it. If you find that your paint is drying too quickly, just use some of this. You can even spray it onto your palette just to keep the paint moist, and it will stay wet for much, much longer. So that's it, pure vegetable glycerin. I think you can buy this from any vaping suppliers, do-it-yourself vaping liquid. That's what they use, is vegetable glycerin, vegetable glycol. This is pharmaceutical grade and is relatively cheap. So that's it for this episode on painting tips in acrylics. Watch out for my other videos where I will have more tips coming up very, very soon. See you then, and happy painting!